Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to ProTraderPath. I'm back with another video that's supposed to be a long video, but I tried to make it into parts so that you guys can understand. Now in this video it's a bit disappointing thing to watch, to be honest, but I wanted to keep it and show you guys that how I look into market and where exactly I look for entries. Okay, so in this case you can see I have a entry placed at a certain level. Which level is that? Is inside of a 1 minute fair value gap. The CE level is over there, and also there is that swing high that I usually call inducement. You will see me writing that later on, but since I was trading on my funded account or live account, usually this is how I look into the chart. Okay, I place the order, I know why I placed the order over there, but some people don't believe it, that's why I'm putting it there. Okay, so also in a lot of videos I have talked about that when a inducement liquidity is taken, market will go low like crazy and give you the desired move or profit that you are expecting from the market very quickly. However, in this case you will see why I said it's a disappointing video in just a minute, and I had to speed out or speed up the clip speed until this far, because here it happened so quick that I wanted to make sure that you guys are watching it. The moment price takes that inducement liquidity, looks what happens. This is where the liquidity is taken. Now look, now what happened there is, you see this specific part of the fair value in the 1 minute that I have now on my chart with that what it calls the violet color box or something. That specific fair value is the 15 minutes bearish fair value. Okay, and the entry I put was in 1 minutes CE or consequent encouragement. Unfortunately, just for a tick it didn't fill my order. Okay, but I didn't chase the price. The reason behind that is, as long as I'm reading the price correct, I can enter anywhere at any moment I want to, as long as my forms of entering into a trade or my methods of entering into a trade that I have been doing or practicing for a lot of time or long time, I'm getting that. Okay, so market is coming lower now, crazy. I don't mind seeing that. Unfortunately, yes, by a tick it didn't fill my order, because I was expecting it will go until the 1 minute CE. If it takes that inducement, yes, it retraced from the 15 minutes consequent encouragement. Okay, so that's the bad part, or that's the sad part. I cut out rest of the portion, I cancelled my entry over there. Now the sell side here, I'm saying this sell side won't be taken. Remember, that was my take profit target, but you know, at 1 to 2 I close partial. I already showed you in my live stream as well, in other videos, every single videos I said I always look for partials at a certain level. This is what I'm doing. Okay, so here I said won't be taken. Yes, I had to edit out a lot of part, because you will understand why I'm saying this, because my original voice will come during that specific part of the video, and you will hear me saying loudly or clearly why I'm doing this. Now at the very beginning of this specific entry, I showed you that I switched from my funded account to the paper trading account. So whatever the entry you are seeing is on the paper trading account, but the writing, everything I have written earlier, right? Now in this specific case, what I can see here is I'm entering into a trade that is going for the buy side liquidity that I'm anticipating from the market. So let's hear what I had to say during that moment. Okay, so what exactly happened over there? Okay guys, the thing is, if you see my dealing runs video, you will understand what exactly happened over there. I don't care what's happening in the market right now, I really don't care. Okay, as long as it's not taking that dealing run sell side, there are equal lows, and what I said won't be taken before that BSO. Okay, so that's why I just put a random order on the paper trading account. 5 lots worth of order, 600 loss or 1025 profit. So let's see what happens. I'm going out, keeping the recording active, and I'm going out because I already have made enough profit for the day, maybe more than $1200 profit on my funded account. So I'm not willing to stay in front of my computer anymore, but for the sake of the education and understanding the price action, I'm keeping this position over here, and since it's coming to retest that fair value, let's add some more. Okay, I hope it's 10 and 10. Okay, just to keep it like that. So let's see where it goes. Okay, so that was me during that specific moment, turning on the microphone, talking and saying what I'm looking into the market right now. So one thing I'm just noticing while voice narrating this part of the video is my stop loss is not at the correct place. Why I'm saying this is because the stop loss should be below that BPR, 1 minute BPR that I have now on the chart. The swing low that market created where I entered right below that, I think like this fair value gap, you see the fair value gap candles low with that black candle, the low that came inside of this 1 minute BPR, that should be my stop loss, low, not the lowest low. Okay, because if market can grab that liquidity, it will go lower. Okay, but anyway, as long as, let's see if market comes there or not, and I'm hoping that market will go higher, even though I have exact equal sell side liquidity sitting at where my stop loss currently is at that specific level, and the liquidity that price was supposed to take from that inducement liquidity grab. Okay, remember where I didn't get my liquidity filled, this is market came until that far. So yes, I might have made few profits over there, or few $100, or I don't know how much the total take profit was, but I must have closed some position over there if I entered into a trade. So even though market is going higher, I would not consider waiting, and when the 1 minute BPR, the swing low that I'm seeing has been hit, I might have closed my partial or rest of the position right there, and then look into the other things. Now why I'm thinking that market won't come lower is because if you watch my dealing range video that I have uploaded, I have 2 videos in my channel, on my channel, that is defining 2 types of dealing range. One is consolidation period dealing range, another one is trending market dealing range. Okay, so when market is gradually going up, creating like higher highs and higher lows, that way, that's one way, which is exactly what during the London session silver bullet market did. It gradually went higher. When the New York news time happened, it took the buy side first, it delivered the sell side, gave you another huge dealing range. Everything I have discussed and talked in my live stream, and at this specific point you know that I was not home, because I already mentioned it. I left the recording, left the computer open just to see if I was correct or not. Okay, as long as I'm saying this, that when you know a certain way properly, even like one of my close brother, younger brother, who I came to know in Australia, like when I came Australia, I met with that guy. I liked him because he is a good hearted, kind-hearted man. He recently got his certificate from like Top Step by getting his account funded, and he thanked me. He sent me a huge, like formal message or something. I replied him, man, as long as I'm seeing people are actually learning and successing, that's my success, and that's what I'm happy for. There is no need to show formality, things like that. Okay, if you haven't seen that, go to my Twitter. I have the entire message posted over there. If you don't know my Twitter account, every single video at the description you will find it. So whatever video you turn on, you will find my Twitter link or over there. Okay, that's one thing, or maybe I will try to put somewhere in the video over there. Now market was like doing this, my automatic adjustment or skin adjustment was not turned on. That's why price, whatever happened on top, it didn't automatically adjust the height, and I was not in front of my computer. As I said, I just wanted to read. Okay, this is what I say over and over again. When I'm not willing to trade, when I'm in front of, I will still sit in front of my computer and try to either paper trade or look and read the chart price like that. Okay, so the red circle and the red line that you can see on the chart is what the liquidity was not supposed to be taken before the sell side. Since market took that, the dealing range retracement liquidity, I was pretty sure that market will not come lower and it will go higher, and this is where exactly I got my take profit hit, and rest is history. If I was home, I might have managed it. I didn't even calculate how far it can go, where can it go. If I was home and doing this on my account, maybe it could have been even more than what I made. Around this level, I think 2000 something was the take profit level. And yeah, I mean, this is very important. Okay, understanding the price action daily is important. Look into the daily levels, and most of the time, if you have the things in your mind, like how the strategy works, you are focused, you only want to enter into a trade. If that specific part is worked, you have practiced it properly, you can enter into a trade from anywhere. I made a very good amount of profit in one of my funded account by just targeting the retracement. Okay, this is also a retracement. Eventually market will come lower, take all those liquidities, but what I said, the sell side should not be taken before the buy side. That's what I was expecting, and on the buy side that I marked, I said this buy side should be taken, okay, before sell side, before going for sell side, and that's exactly what market did. Now every time I'm saying, I just don't target the buy side or the sell side, I look into from where market can retrace, and this is where I'm showing the profit, $2075 on the paper trading account. Okay, so I wanted to read the price, but unfortunately or fortunately, because I was in a good amount of profit during my London session, silver bullet and other entries that I got earlier. You see that IOFED line that I draw on the left, from where the IOFED started, there is a order block line. I entered into a sell short from exactly that level and targeted where market can possibly go. So I will upload that video very shortly. Until next time, I hope you got something out of this video. If not, go through my channel and there is a specific playlist that says ICT strategies. There will be 4 videos over there, and that will give you the idea what I'm talking about here. If you are new, you will understand that. So yeah, until next time, take a very good care of yourself and your health, and bye bye.